Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. I've bought some stuff for the Accord. I bought the new rotor and some spacers, and so we're gonna go ahead and replace the rotor right now and see if that's the only thing that's broken on the car, because I'm not quite sure.
Make a wish. Count to 3.
Little buddy came for a ride. Shout out to Eric, he's here again.
Yo.
We figured out how to do things to the Accord, so we're gonna go do those things, but we need to get some equipment for that first, which includes an impact, and he has one, so we're gonna mob over to his place real quick and grab that. Oh, that's nice. Very classic, I like it a lot. But yeah, guys, hopefully this shouldn't take too long. Once we figure it out, it should go pretty smooth, just replacing it. And I might need to go get new screws for it, but I'm not sure about that yet. So I will update you guys as soon as we are done with that. All right, my father is the real MVP of this one. He's got the strength to, yeah, we hammered with 2 hammers to make sure, because it was pretty rusted on there. So yeah, and then shout out to Eric for bringing his tools as well. Thank you. There's the new rotor. Where's the old rotor? This is the old one. It's you can see the difference there. How is that? Is that a nice workout for you? You just do some curls. Right on. Yeah, so we're gonna get that one installed properly. We might need to go get new screws for it actually. So
we will need to get new screws.
Yeah, let's go do that. Okay, we got brake clean. That's pretty cool. But they don't have any of the little nuts, or I guess screws. But heading over to Lowe's, which is right across the street. This one is fuckered. Look at that. Oh, no bueno. We're definitely gonna need new ones before we put in the new rotors. Let's go. Here we go. We got them. This is what we needed. So we got a whole box of them, just in case. And there's a car meet going on right behind us. I don't know if y'all can see that. You probably can't. We'll pull through. Doing a little brake cleaning. It's evaporating right now. Yeah, this goes on next, and then these new screws that we bought, and then we'll be good to go. Then we can put everything back on, including the caliper, which is down there somewhere, hanging, as well as the caliper bracket, and then we'll be good to go. New rotor. Alrighty guys, so I think that's gonna do it for today. We ended up putting on that rotor, so I think tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and start working on the wide body, and then I just have to pick up a spacer from Raphael, and then we'll be poked out again properly, and then we'll start working on actually molding the wide body to the car after we cut a little bit here. So yeah, big changes, big moves. Also, the bumper decided to fix itself now that it was hanging and there's a big gap before, and now it's fine after we slammed on the ground, so I don't know what's going on there. I have Ray here with me. He came down from Bellevue. Yeah. So today what we're going to tackle is the bag issue first, and then gotta go run over to Michael's house and grab Raphael's spacers from there. So hopefully he responds soon and we can actually get that fitment looking primo again. And then after all of that, if the bags still don't resolve themselves, then we're just gonna start cutting and doing stuff to the wide body and molding that onto this side first. Because this one's the one that's all screwed up, so I don't mind screwing this fender up a little more if I end up having to get a new fender, because this bottom portion here, I don't know if you guys, oh, it's not even focusing. Yeah, so this bottom portion here is bent a little bit, so if I do end up needing a new fender, at least if we screw up on this, it's gonna be okay. But yeah guys, let's get today started. Alrighty guys, quick little update for you. So we tried shortening each one of these sides. That didn't end up working. and it's still having a problem, so we ended up lengthening that other side. I'm not done with it yet, but Michael just texted me, said he was home, so we're gonna go grab those spacers real quick so we can get this fitment back on point, and then we can start working on like fender stuff later probably. So yeah, let's head on over to Michael's place.
Find spots for them.
Yo, that's Raphael's new Eclipse. I've not seen that one yet. Here we are, yes. There's the pups. Aw, pups. What you doing, boyo? Yo, shouts to Raphael for the spaces. We got them. Let's go put these things on. Woo! So Ray has left us here. He's got to go back to Bellevue, so I decided I'm kind of done with the car for today. We've tried everything. We've lengthened the bag all the way, and then we've also shortened it all the way, and everything in between, and for some reason whenever I give it pressure it just doesn't want to go up, so I'm kind of done screwing with it. I just bought new coils. I bought some Godspeeds, and they have 40 way adjustable dampening, and then also I was gonna get BCs, but honestly the Godspeeds are a little cheaper, so I decided that would be the move. I'll let you guys know what I think about them, and if I think the BCs might have been better after I get them and ride on them for a little bit. Car's gonna be sitting out in the rain for a little bit because it's currently pouring outside, but yeah, I think that'll be it for today. I was gonna start molding the body kit on, but at this point, having taken it outside and everything and it's all wet now, I think I'm gonna wait a couple days because I gotta do some work and other stuff, so hopefully in a couple days we'll be able to start doing body work to it. I know exactly what I have to do, and I just need an angle grinder to cut the actual fender itself, so that'll be pretty easy once we get to it. But I just don't know what it is about the bags. It's been like this ever since day one, even when we bought them at first. So I've contacted bag riders. I don't know what they're gonna do. Woo! Very pretty. That's the one that we gotta start molding first. And the spacers actually make the front fitment so primo. Like, that's perfect. So I think we can add inch spacers in the rear and it'll poke it up just the same, and it'll be really good. So yeah, but yeah guys, I wish I could have done more to the car today. I'm gonna kick back, relax a little. We will continue on, I promise, but for now, you know, it's raining, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. It really means a lot, and it helps the channel so we can get to that 1,000, and then we're moving onward and forward from there. And I will catch you guys next time. Peace.